My name is Joanne Hash, and I am the current chair of the Department of Psychological Sciences. And my particular discipline in psychology is health psychology. So the interaction between our thoughts, beliefs, behaviors, and our health. Okay, so we have a developmental major, which basically means that we begin the major with a foundation and an introduction to psychology, which is basically a very condensed overview of the entirety of the discipline of psychology to give students a sense of what exactly is psychology, because people often have this notion that psychology is just clinical psychology. It's just counseling. But really, there's so many more facets to psychology than that. And so this gives kind of an overview survey. And from there, after the freshman year, that intro to psychology, we have biobases, which is understanding the physiological basis of psychology, as well as statistics and research methods. So that's to be taken in the sophomore year. So these are really our foundational courses. And they lay the groundwork for what comes next, which is labs in a variety of different subdisciplines, and as well as upper division electives. And then it culminates in a senior capstone course. Okay, so by their senior year, there's a number of different things that students could engage in during the entirety of their 4 years at Whittier College. Many of our classes are service learning classes. And so what this means is that we do a partnership with some sort of organization in the community to not only help the students learn on the ground what's going on in psychology, but also to help those partnering agency fulfill their objectives and their missions. So that's an opportunity that many students have. In addition to that, the labs are really something that is very interactive and hands-on and engaged ways to really get a real tangible sense of what we do in psychology, professionally speaking. And then the senior capstone course has traditionally been a literature review paper in an area of the student's own choice. We're actually in the process of starting to re-envision that and think about many alternative kind of projects that could be done in that senior capstone course. And so, for example, this semester I'm integrating more career-focused things like putting together a CV or resume and a cover letter, doing mini presentations, putting together a website. So there's a lot of ideas that we're thinking about integrating into that senior capstone experience that really reflects the broadness of where our students want to go post-college. We have lots and lots of careers represented. So again, people tend to think psychology, you become a clinician and you do counseling. And yes, there are a lot of our students who go that route, either through a PsyD or an MFT or a PhD, but there's a lot of other career options in psychology as well. So many of our students go on to become teachers, K through 12 teachers. Students have gone on to be lawyers, physicians, there's just this wide variety of potential careers with a foundation in psychological sciences. Well, I think everything is cool about this major, which is why I'm a professor of psychology. I think really what it comes down to is that psychology helps you understand yourself better. It helps you understand other people better, and it helps you understand the place that you have in the world. And so I think that psychology is just inherently really fascinating as human beings. And again, just like I was saying in terms of the different career paths that people go into, psychology can be applied virtually anywhere students go post-college.